We're getting Ford numbers this morning. Let's get to Phil LeBeau. Morning, Phil.
Good morning, Carl. Ford for the first quarter are seeing sales decline in the United States by 1.3%. We'll break down what the sales were for the different types of vehicles within that. EVs, let's start first with them, up 11.5%. Hybrid vehicles, Ford continues to do well as it pushes more gas-electric hybrid vehicles, up 32.9% in the first quarter. And ICE continues to melt away, not just for Ford, but for all of the legacy automakers, down 4.8% in the first quarter. One last stat for you guys. We've always said, and we continue to say, it is an F-Series world when you look at Ford. Sales of the F-Series pickup trucks up 24.5% there. ICE may be going away slowly but surely, but there's no slowdown in the demand for those F-Series trucks. Guys, I'll send it back to you.
So, Phil, it's obvious you got this window of opportunity to buy things, a lot of pull forward. I mean, isn't this before they put the prices up? I mean, don't we just go in and buy our? I mean, I have a Ford, and it's been very low price, and I think it's terrific. And I just wonder whether it won't just be like people madly buying American cars right now.
I talked with a Ford dealer in the Midwest just the other day, Jim. He said March was gangbusters. Yes. Outstanding. And that was before the last week and a half where you really started to hear from dealers that people were saying, okay, prices may be going up at some point. I don't know when. I don't know by how much. So if I'm going to buy, and maybe I was planning on buying in July, I'll go ahead and buy now. I have no doubt that we're going to see strong numbers for the month of March, and that'll likely mean the first quarter is going to be better than people were expecting overall. There is that pull forward effect because of the concern about tariffs. But with regard to Ford and the F-Series, I mean, look, that's the bread and butter for these guys and continues to be the bread and butter. And let's remember, they make all of their F-Series trucks in the United States. Right. So depending on how they're impacted by tariffs, what they end up doing, whether they spread it out over the portfolio, et cetera, the F-Series continues to be the straw that stirs the drink for them.
Fantastic. Fantastic stuff.
Phil, thanks for that.